Hello, I'm Sean Nakazura, working for Sales Management Division in Digital Printing Office System Department, Canon Inc. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey that will show you how we make sure our reliability, durability, and the quality are the best in class. It's actually connected to our philosophy as well as our unique technologies. Before we dive into the specifics, I would like to kickstart with this number. What is this number? Can you guess? Actually, this number is total number of the improvements we have made in the past few years. I believe this represents our quality and also proves how seriously we are thinking about it. From now on, let me introduce just a few from these many improvements we have made. This is printing technology section in Canon Gallery at headquarters in Shimomaruka. On display, here is a historic technology we have introduced, as well as the state-of-the-art technology that we developed today. If you can spot the metal frame, it is what I would like to show you today. We call it anti-loosening welded frame, and it's Canon unique technology. Please take a closer look at the connection points. Every single part of this base frame is built by welding the pieces together without using any screws. But why is this fact so important for the quality? To explain, let me use this example. Have you ever assembled flat pack furniture by yourself or built DIY project at your home? When you do this, you typically use screws. Of course, it's so easy to fix, and no special skill is required. However, if we could look inside of the screw point, we'd see there's a tiny gap. How do you think this tiny gap affects the overall quality? Let me show you by using these frame connection samples. One is made in the traditional way using screws. The other one is welded together. The screw looks like it's fastened so tightly, but this can become distorted or loose due to the tiny gap inside. If it's furniture, it does not cause a big issue, as 100% accuracy during its lifetime is not so much important. But let's imagine MFP. The accurate and stable position of the key parts is critical. Otherwise, there can be problems in the field such as paper jam or machine travels. On the other hand side, let's take a look at the welded connection sample. It doesn't loosen or distort under the pressure. As a consequence, this minimizes multiple risks in the fields. As an additional benefit, a welded frame is much lighter than screw frame. Some of you may think, oh, lighter frame is less durable. But it's not the case. This technology is also used in the manufacture of cars or trains or spacecrafts, where the lighter weight and durability are both essential. As a proof point, our QA test results shows the welded frame scored almost double in both stiffness and strength compared to screwed frame, and it's 50% lighter. This is great for anyone moving or installing the devices and makes logistics more efficient. This is ultimately based on our company philosophy, Kyosei, living and working for common good. Today, you've seen just a part of our continuous development journey. Some of these improvements are based on the voice from customer or partners. However, most of them came to life during our R&D process before machines go out to the market. Our development and factory team work so closely every day in order to minimize any risk to your business and your customers' satisfaction. These are the result of our philosophy, a strong sense of purpose to keep evolving. We are always thinking about the common good and never afraid to invest to make Canon as the best partner for you. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for your attention.